Hello, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today we are in the sunny, charming spot of Villajoyosa. In this joyous town today, I have this splendid, coastal, beautiful retreat nestled in a development called Paradiso. And boy, is it a little paradise. Let's have a look. This coastal retreat has the most wonderful, amazing landscaped gardens that you can really enjoy where you actually are. Not only are you a hair's breadth away from the sea, with it literally right there in front of you, but you do also have this huge expanse to sit, to lounge, to enjoy the palm trees. Also, you get to fall asleep, read books, have coffee, even a cocktail. I feel like this is a really amazing, beautiful setup for someone that wants to have that expanse of peace, serenity, and also feel well catered for. You actually get to participate in what is around this local area. So there's people fishing nearby. It's peaceful. And this lush vegetation makes me feel like I'm in the most splendid garden. This building has actually been reformed. It was an old historical building to begin with, and they have lovingly turned it into a variety of apartments offering fantastic accommodation for families and friends. So this is where the accommodation is. So these are the apartments. And again, they have all been lovingly reformed on the exterior and the interior. They vary in size and offering you different amounts of bedrooms and bathrooms. I'm going to give you a tour of the inside so you get an idea of what there is. Oh, but look, this amazing window frame. It's got big windows with shutters. So even when you're indoors, you can really appreciate the view, but you're giving that Mediterranean traditional feel all the way through. As we come up from the areas where there are the apartments into the main foyer, we're going to go across and into this beautiful area, which would be an outdoor kitchen, a barbecue space, another dining area, and it's also here overlooking that there is a lift for the apartments that are on the upper floors. And look how that's been restored there, that brass cast ironwork. I love that. Bing bong! Floor 3. Hello, won't you come on in? So as you come into this house, it is an apartment that is 145 meters squared, and it offers 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. You are immediately met with the bright, very earthy feeling kind of decor and interior, and a beautifully decorated open plan living room, dining room and kitchen. The configuration is with natural materials all the way through, and it is a design aesthetic that I think really works beautifully with the exterior of the building. So this is your island for your kitchen, and within your island you have your sink. Behind here is your dishwasher, and you have your cooking hob, which is a high-end appliance, and your Clarkstein extractor fan above. Going over here, you have even more storage options, and you also have your cooking range. I love how this wraps around because it's Americanized in the sense that you have your breakfast bar on this side. A great place to space to have your breakfast in the morning or your coffee. And then this is your living room space. It has obviously plenty of space for a large sofa, and then you also have to the left of it your dining space. It feels really quite well designed in the flow. It is actually 60 meters squared inside here, and the terrace that overlooks the dining room is 25 meters squared. So I'm just going to take you out onto that lovely balcony. And as I said, the balcony is accessed from all the bedrooms in the house and gives you a great perspective of the grounds below. A place to sit and enjoy the view, soak up the sun, but most importantly for me, soak up that sea breeze, because it's constant and is so forgiving and lush and wonderful. Back through the dining room, I'm going to take you to where the bedrooms are located. As I go through the hall, you will find to my left there is a guest bathroom and powder room, which is fitted with a shower, toilet, sink and vanity. It has also been beautifully decorated with ornate traditional tiles and has lots of light coming in. Over to this side, you will come into bedroom number 1. And bedroom number 1 also feels like a wonderful oasis. Plenty of space for a large bed. You also have sliding doors that take you out onto that balcony terrace. It comes air conditioned, and you also have an integrated wardrobe here. And a nice kind of rustic effect. I love that. As I come out of bedroom number 1, I'm taking you down the hall again. And I'm taking you to another bathroom, which is the full bathroom. You have your double shower, your toilet, your sink, vanity and mirror. And in the master bedroom, you get, again, a very large, welcoming space that facilitates comfortably a bed, large windows, floor-to-ceiling doors that go out into that beautiful terrace, and integrated wardrobes. Taking you across the hall into bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 3 again offers space for a large double bed. You also have windows that lets in lots of light and also gives you shade if you're wanting it. But then you've also got your integrated wardrobes. I'm just going to take you up this beautiful tweed bridge. And to my left, this is going to be the facility where you will have an opportunity to get changed, put on some more comfy clothes, put on your swimming gear. This had a really beautifully designed infinity pool, and it gives you lots of different levels on the inside. So if you want to sit, if you want to stand, if you want to swim, you have all of that. All whilst you're looking at that radiant Mediterranean Sea and its waves rolling in and rolling out. And then you have all of these relaxation zones further down here, still giving you an uninterrupted view and continuing that lush green vegetation of all of the local plants and all of the exotic plants that they have here. This space actually is quite enormous and is approximately 4,000 meters squared. So this area here is an old baths that they have recently reformed. It used to be where people would come to wash their clothes, and what would happen is the water would come through this fountain from the actual natural spring well not far away. It would fill this tank, and then that tank would gradually fill this tank, and this tank would gradually fill that tank, and then this would be where the women would wash their clothes. So I just love that they have actually kept a lot of the original traditional features and have decided to give them a new lease of life. And this one would probably be even better for a slightly larger group because of this feeling like you have a space outside to sit you all slightly separately from the rest of the communal grounds. Some additional information about these apartments. They are available for short-term or long-term rental. If you do like this coastal retreat and you would like to see more, please don't forget to come to our website, which is Spainhomes.estate. If you like this video, don't forget also to like and subscribe. My name is Nikima, we're Spainhomes. It was lovely to have you, and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!